Number 1, sitting in silence daily. Spending even 10 minutes without noise retrains your attention. No music, no phone, no distractions. At first, your mind resists, then it sharpens. You stop needing constant stimulation and start thinking clearly again. Number 2, reading non-fiction slowly, not skimming, not rushing. Slow reading forces deep focus in a world built for distraction. You train your brain to stay with one idea long enough to actually understand it. That skill transfers to everything else in life. Number 3, waking up at the same time every day. Consistency rewires discipline. Your brain learns structure before motivation shows up. Over time, decision fatigue drops and self-control becomes automatic. You stop negotiating with yourself every morning. Number 4, writing before reacting. When something triggers you, you write instead of responding. This builds emotional control. You learn to separate impulse from intention. The more you do this, the less other people control your mood. Number 5, strength training without distractions. No scrolling between sets. No headphones if possible, just you and the weight. This trains focus under discomfort. You teach your nervous system how to stay calm while under pressure. Number 6, limiting social media to 1 window a day. Not quitting completely, just controlling it. This restores dopamine sensitivity and attention span. You stop feeling mentally scattered and start finishing what you begin. Number 7, planning tomorrow the night before. Writing 3 priorities before bed reduces anxiety and mental clutter. Your brain relaxes because it knows what comes next. Mornings become execution, not confusion. Number 8, doing 1 hard thing daily. 1 task you want to avoid. 1 uncomfortable action. This builds self-trust. Every time you follow through, your identity shifts from "I'll do it later" to "I do what I say." Number 9, walking alone regularly. No podcasts, no phone, just movement and thought. This activates reflection and long-term thinking. Many people never hear their own thoughts anymore. This gives you that edge back. Pick one of these and commit for the next 30 days. Do not quit when it feels boring or uncomfortable. That moment is the signal that it's working. Comment which one you're choosing and prove to yourself that discipline changes.